looking to bring your ideas to life in stunning detail. In this video, we're exploring the best 3D printers of 2025, from high-precision resin models to powerful FDM machines for creators, hobbyists, and professionals. Whether you're into prototyping, miniatures, or functional parts, these 3D printers offer the latest in speed, quality, and innovation. Let's check out which ones stand out this year. Number 6. Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a remarkable addition to the world of affordable 3D printing, building on the success of its predecessors, while introducing several enhancements that cater to both beginners and experienced users alike. Known for its exceptional print quality and reliability, the Ender 3v3 SE features a robust design that ensures stability during printing, minimizing vibrations that can affect precision. One of the standout features of the Ender 3v3 SE is its upgraded print speed, allowing users to produce high-quality prints in a fraction of the time compared to earlier models. This efficiency does not come at the cost of detail. The printer is capable of producing intricate designs with impressive accuracy. Additionally, the V3 SE comes equipped with a larger build volume, enabling users to tackle more ambitious projects without sacrificing quality. Another significant improvement is the inclusion of a user-friendly touchscreen interface, which simplifies navigation through settings and adjustments. This intuitive control system makes it easier for beginners to get started while providing seasoned users with quick access to advanced features. The printer also boasts enhanced connectivity options, allowing for seamless integration with various slicing software and enabling users to print via USB, SD card, or even directly from a computer. Moreover, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE incorporates advanced safety features, such as thermal runaway protection, ensuring that users can print with peace of mind. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades and modifications, catering to the DIY spirit of the 3D printing community. Number 5. Creality K2 Combo is a versatile 3D printing solution that brings together cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced makers alike. With its robust construction and sleek design, the K2 Combo is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use while delivering high-quality prints with impressive precision. One of the standout features of the K2 Combo is its large build volume, allowing users to create larger models without the need for assembly or complex processes. This is ideal for those looking to produce prototypes, intricate designs, or even functional parts for various applications. The printer is equipped with a heated bed, which helps improve adhesion and reduces the risk of warping, ensuring that prints come out smoothly and accurately every time. Additionally, the K2 Combo boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to those who may be new to 3D printing. The intuitive touchscreen display simplifies navigation through the printer's settings and features, allowing users to start printing with minimal hassle. Furthermore, the printer supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, giving users the flexibility to choose the best material for their specific projects. Number 4. Anycubic KOBRA S1 Combo is a versatile and user-friendly 3D printer that caters to both beginners and experienced makers alike. With its robust design and impressive features, it stands out in the competitive landscape of additive manufacturing. One of its most notable attributes is its impressive build volume, allowing users to create larger prints without the limitations often found in smaller machines. This is particularly advantageous for those working on ambitious projects or multi-part designs. The KOBRA S1 Combo also boasts a heated bed, which helps with adhesion and reduces the risk of warping, ensuring that prints come out smoothly and accurately. With Anycubic's innovative auto bed leveling technology, setting up the printer is a breeze. This feature significantly reduces the time and effort spent on manual calibration, making it ideal for users who may not have extensive experience in 3D printing. The printer's straightforward interface and intuitive controls further enhance the user experience, allowing for easy navigation through settings and print options. Additionally, the KOBRA S1 Combo supports a variety of filament types, including PAVs and PETG, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. This versatility opens up a world of creative possibilities, from intricate prototypes to functional parts. Number 3. Elegoo Saturn for Ultra is a remarkable addition to the world of 3D printing, setting a new standard for high-resolution printing at an accessible price point. Designed for both hobbyists and professionals, this resin printer boasts impressive features that elevate the user experience and output quality. One of the standout aspects of the Saturn IV Ultra is its expansive build volume, allowing users to create larger models or multiple smaller pieces in a single print session without compromising on detail. This capability makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from intricate miniatures to functional prototypes. The printer's advanced monochrome LCD screen significantly enhances printing speed and longevity, enabling faster layer curing times while maintaining exceptional detail and color accuracy. This technology not only contributes to quicker print jobs, but also extends the lifespan of the screen, allowing for more prints over time before needing a replacement. Another key feature is the enhanced stability of the printing process, thanks to a robust frame and improved Z-axis design. This ensures that even during prolonged printing sessions, the quality remains consistent, reducing the likelihood of errors and failed prints. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Print represents a significant advancement in the world of 3D printing, designed with both innovation and user-friendliness in mind. This printer is tailored for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering a seamless experience that caters to a variety of printing needs. One of the standout features of the A1 print is its impressive speed. Capable of producing high-quality prints in a fraction of the time it takes traditional printers, it allows users to iterate designs quickly and efficiently. This makes it an ideal choice for prototyping or creating custom parts, whether for personal projects or professional applications. Additionally, the A1 print boasts a robust build quality, featuring a sturdy frame that minimizes vibrations during the printing process. This stability contributes to the overall precision of the prints, ensuring that even the most intricate designs come out perfectly. The printer also supports a wide range of materials, from PLA and ABS to more advanced filaments, giving users the flexibility to choose the right material for their specific projects. Another highlight is its user-friendly interface. The Bambu Lab A1 print is equipped with an intuitive touchscreen display that simplifies navigation and setup, making it accessible even for those who are new to 3D printing. The printer also integrates seamlessly with Bambu Lab's ecosystem of software and apps, allowing users to monitor prints remotely and access a community of fellow makers for inspiration and support. Number 1. Creality K1C is an innovative 3D printer that stands out in the growing market for desktop fabrication technology. Designed for both hobbyists and professionals, the K1C combines user-friendly features with advanced capabilities, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. One of the most notable aspects of the K1C is its impressive print speed, which allows users to create high-quality models in a fraction of the time compared to many other 3D printers. This efficiency is complemented by its dual-gear extruder system, which ensures consistent filament flow and improved adhesion for intricate designs. The printer supports a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, offering versatility. For different project needs, the K1C also boasts a sizable build volume, enabling users to print larger items or multiple smaller objects simultaneously. Its intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies the printing process, allowing for easy adjustments and monitoring of print jobs. Furthermore, the printer is equipped with advanced safety features such as thermal runaway protection, ensuring A secure printing experience. In terms of design, the K1C is both stylish and functional. Its robust construction minimizes vibrations during printing, contributing to the precision and quality of the final product. The printer's sleek aesthetic makes it a welcome addition to any workspace, whether at home or in a professional setting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more exciting content.